Revealed 7 things you didn't know about Tesla. Tesla is a forward-thinking corporation that has made waves in the automobile sector since its inception. Tesla has continued to develop and enhance its products since then. Making a reputation for yourself in the automotive sector is difficult, but Tesla is never out of the news. Today in this video, we'll go over 7 facts you didn't know about Tesla. Hello, and thank you for tuning in to our channel. Try subscribing and viewing some of our previous videos if you're new to the channel. So today, we're talking about Tesla Motors, the company that sprang to prominence a few years ago with an unusual concept and a revolutionary aim in transforming the automobile industry to be more environmentally friendly. It was first dismissed, but under the leadership of its visionary CEO Elon Musk, it has grown into a multi-billion-dollar corporation with about $5 billion in stock, $23 billion in assets, and $7 billion in sales. Tesla has gained enormous traction, and with the Model 3 on the horizon, it seems that we are on the verge of seeing the birth of a new iconic vehicle. Enough with the introduction. Let's get down to business. Here are 7 facts about Tesla that you probably didn't know. 1. Who are the inventors of Tesla? Tesla was created in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarr Penny. Ian Wright came on board a short while later. Elon Musk joined the board of directors as chairman and then as CEO in February 2004, leading the Series A fundraising round. J.B. Struble was named Chief Technical Officer of Tesla in 2004. Eberhard, Tarr Penny, Musk, Wright, and Struble signed a legal agreement allowing them to refer to themselves as Tesla founders. Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and PayPal, is a well-known businessman, engineer, and investor. Tesla's initial CEO, Eberhard, was replaced by Musk in 2007. Eberhard is still a member of Tesla's board of directors and an active member of the Tesla community. Tesla has worked with several well-known people. Tesla automobiles are renowned not just for their technical prowess, but also for their aesthetic appeal. Tesla's objective is to make the automobile fashionable and useful in order to boost the appeal of future generations of electric cars. Musk has accomplished this by collaborating with well-known fashion houses like Dior and Louis Vuitton. These partnerships have helped the Tesla brand gain traction and distinguish itself from other electric vehicles on the market. Tesla has also collaborated with Disney Pixar, allowing Tesla car customers to see a unique film from the comfort of their vehicles. In addition, Tesla collaborated with Warner Bros. To construct a Tesla replica of the Batmobile from Batman Forever. Albeit, in the end, a Chevy 350 was chosen. 2. Nikola Tesla, the creator of alternating current, was the inspiration for Tesla's name. Nikola Tesla was born on July 10, 1856, making him more than 160 years old. He has over 300 patents and many more innovations in the works. He is regarded as the father of alternating current, AC, which underpins much of modern technology. Nikola Tesla was also credited with inventing wireless communication and the radio. He is credited with being the first to propose the concept of solar power, which would later become more common. To commemorate his 75th birthday, Tesla was featured on the cover of Time magazine. Elon Musk wanted to name Tesla Motors after Nikola Tesla, which caused him to modify the name of his firm from SRA, Silicon Valley Motors, to Tesla. He didn't like the name he picked. The initial name of Tesla Motors, SRA, which stood for Silicon Valley Automotive, Tesla's technology is based on modern computer systems, which were largely constructed using silicon. Hence, the founders intended to concentrate on Silicon Valley, hence the name Tesla. 3. Tesla's first automobile was known as the Roadster. The Tesla Roadster, which launched in 2008, was Tesla's first attempt. The Roadster was created to demonstrate how an electric automobile might surpass a gas guzzler in terms of speed and cost. It wasn't the most fuel-efficient vehicle on the market, but it made a powerful statement. Tesla's Roadster was the first electric automobile to employ lithium-ion battery cells in mass manufacturing. Most Tesla vehicles, as well as cell phones and laptops, now employ lithium batteries. Tesla has a number of patents that are rather interesting. One of Tesla's most significant patents is for their superchargers electric vehicle charging stations, which they received on October 13, 2014. This patent is critical because it protects the company's technology from being copied by others. However, Tesla is simply doing this to defend itself, not to prevent others from becoming engaged with electric vehicles and improving them further. Tesla has also patented a technique that allows its self-driving cars to pick the optimal path for them. Patents like this one may be quite valuable since they deter corporations from duplicating them because they know how much a patent would cost. The Model S and 3 have received over 500,000 orders and are still selling well, so the pressure is on. He also said that he had a workspace nearby during a conference call. 4. The Tesla Model S is the company's highest-rated vehicle to date. The Tesla Model S is widely regarded as one of the greatest automobiles ever produced. It earned a plethora of honors, including Motor Trend magazine's Car of the Year. The first model was released in 2012, and over 16,000 reservations were taken for automobiles before they ever hit the market. Since then, a new Model S has been produced with various technical improvements that make it even better. The Model S should be reasonably priced and simple to maintain. The Tesla Model S has just 6 components that can be changed on a regular basis. Only 4 wheels and 1 blade need to be serviced on a regular basis, and the brake pads last a surprising amount of time. The huge 17-inch touchscreen display of the Tesla Model S serves as your single power button, managing all elements of driving, navigation, musical devices, and everything in between. Furthermore, the popular 4-door sedans include a big touchscreen with up to 320 color options. The Model S has its own SIM card, wireless charging, and other networking features. 5. Tesla cars will be capable of completely automated driving. Tesla is developing completely autonomous driving capabilities for its vehicles. Musk said that he is dedicated to making Tesla the world's safest automobile manufacturer. Tesla's technology has been developed to make its vehicles' self-driving capabilities more advanced than those of any other manufacturer on the market. Tesla's software package will be the single finest software ever built, according to Musk. Tesla vehicles are equipped with a self-driving feature known as Autopilot. For an additional $10,000, the vehicles may be equipped with full self-driving technology, which, according to Musk, will eventually enable totally autonomous driving. Although the technology is still under development, Tesla's self-driving capability is expected to be available in the near future. 6. Tesla's Gigafactory 3 was developed in China to build the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y for the Chinese market. Tesla made history by becoming the first American car maker to open a factory in China. The Gigafactory 3 was built in a little over a year and is located just outside Shanghai. The decision to manufacture in China makes the Chinese EV market more accessible, with Tesla models just slightly more costly than Chinese brands like NIO. The Gigafactory 3 will ultimately be able to manufacture roughly 150,000 automobiles per year. 7. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the Tesla Model X is the safest automobile on the road. The Tesla Model X is the safest automobile the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has ever evaluated. In every area and subcategory, it received a 5-star safety rating. The Model X outperformed every other SUV on the market, not only those made by Tesla. A full-width frontal crash test and a side collision were used in the crash testing. In each area, the front of Tesla's SUV scored 5 stars, while the rollover rating obtained 4 out of 5 stars. The Model X is the first electric vehicle to obtain the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's highest safety rating, Superior, which is given to cars that received a combined score of at least 5 stars in the agency's crash testing. It's been rumored that Elon Musk sleeps at the Tesla's facility. Tesla is now seeing phenomenal success, with the annual manufacturing of electric vehicles estimated to reach 500,000 by 2020. However, opponents have raised worries about Tesla's safety recall this year. Elon claims that his seat is at the end of the production line and that he even sleeps in a neighboring conference room to check that everyone meets his high standards. So there you have it, 7 Tesla facts you may or may not have known. And some of us believe that Tesla would be a pleasant place to work. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us. If you want to never miss a video, make sure you subscribe.